This is Thursday's Eunoia, spoken by Elswyth. Back we go today into the woods you're practically skipping. You know this path so well now, don't you? Onward straight, turn here, turn there, straight to the tree, and listen. Oh. Our little fountain, our little spring, which had turned into a stream, and curved this way and that, leading us to the beautiful gazebo with James Joyce's letters sitting open on the pedestal. This wonderful stream that curved around is now a pool. Maybe now we could call it an actual pond. Or not. Can you see it? Sitting on a rock next to it is a journal and a pen. Open the journal. Write a wish on a piece of paper and tear it out carefully. And now we're going to fold it. Fold your paper in half and fold the top corners in toward the middle. Fold the bottom edges up on both sides and flatten it. Bring the ends together and flatten sideways to make a square. Fold one bottom corner up and then fold the other corner up. Bring the ends together and flatten sideways, again to make a square. And then, oh so gently. Hey, you knew this could be erotic, right? Pull the ends down to open. And voila, here's your new boat. Take that boat with your wish written in it, set it on this little pond that we have, and blow. Gently. Now harder. Blow your little boat so it can go out